Hey guys, this is an unboxing video. We're gonna be unboxing this.
The Dodge Swiftside pickup. This is by Matchbox, and it has the Dodge Ram emblem up top. It is part of the metal series, so that means the whole body should be metal other than the tires, of course, otherwise it would not roll down a track. And now I'm going to hand it over to my friend here.
And we're gonna
She's just going to rip open the box.
Yes, I am.
And there is the truck. There's the truck. It has a very nice Spectraflame tan onto red with the plastic base. Little bit disappointed in the plastic base and blue windshield, but well, this could be a Hong Kong one, so it doesn't really make a difference. So she's going to turn it straight over to me for all the information. So Dodge created this pickup truck to pretty much rule out all the other Chevys, as far as I'm aware. I'm probably full of BS, but yeah, I didn't do my research before this, so we're just looking at this. I think the axle's bent just a little bit, but I mean, it's been thrown around in the box all day. I was really eager to open this, and then my friend beat me in rock, paper, scissors, so that was a little bit disappointing. We have the Dodge logo back here, and we have the Dodge. They changed it up front. I don't know why, but it has a very nice smooth texture. Yeah, go ahead. Feel it?
It is pretty smooth.
Yeah. And this is supposed to replicate the metal in the back. So we are going to compare this to a couple other trucks that I have, which we'll do in a much later video because I do not have everything set out because this is my first video. Hooray, yes, first video ever